Hey, what is up guys, back here with another video, and today I am going to be unboxing this Asus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card and also putting that into my computer. And so stick around to watch the whole thing. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So this Wi-Fi card from Asus is the AX3000 series. It's pretty great from the reviews that I've seen on YouTube, and it has Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6, which is good because when I'm working on things that really depend on Wi-Fi or internet speeds, this really helps. And Wi-Fi 6 is actually on this is 2.7 times faster, which is actually pretty good for my use case. There's really nothing much else around the box except that it says it has some kind of like security protection that I really don't care about. So let's get straight into the box. So when we first open the box, we are greeted with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card, and luckily it's black, so it actually matches with my case. Black on black, you can never go wrong with that. After that, we see the USB cables, and the USB cable is there to plug into the Wi-Fi card and the motherboard to get the full speed from our internet and our Bluetooth. So thumbs up for that. So last up in the box is that we have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card, and I think that's pretty self-explanatory. But before I install the Wi-Fi card, I have to clean my computer. It has a lot of dust everywhere. So let me do that first, and I should get this water bottle out the way. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do when you clean your computer is get some kind of cloth and start cleaning the vents. So the first one that I'm going to clean is this one that's just magnetic and it just slides off. And just clean that or wipe it until you're done. Okay, so the next one that you want to do is actually open the front by popping it out. And yes, there is a lot of dust over there. Let me show you. Hold up. You can see that. I gotta clean that out. If you have somewhere around this, you gotta clean it. I mean, you should clean your computer every 3 months, but I gotta clean mine around like every 1 month now. So I have cleaned mine and it looks pretty good. So after you do that, you want to clean actually the fans right here if they are dirty in any way. Mine don't look that dirty, but I'm still going to clean them. You don't have to take them out. So now I'm going to take you on a ride of how to place this Wi-Fi card into your motherboard. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to unscrew one of these or wherever the PCI slot is. I think you can see that, yeah. So there are 2 on my motherboard right now that are available. So I'm going to put it on the very bottom so the graphics card doesn't take any of the heat from the Wi-Fi card. So let's unscrew this one. So the Wi-Fi card is in. Now all I have to do is actually screw this in. Now this is actually in. Let me focus. And yeah, it's stable in there. So you want to tighten the screw all the way in, just to make sure there's no sag in the whole Wi-Fi card. So now let's actually plug in the USB cable into its spot. So right here, I don't know if you can see, let me bring the camera a bit closer. So right there, you want to plug in the smaller port or whatever port seems correct into the Wi-Fi card. So right here underneath there is a place to put this. All you have to do is snap it in, and there you go. It's in. Now all you have to do is plug this, and let me actually cable manage this first and put this into the case and put this part into the motherboard, or where the USB point 2 is located. So once this is in, it's good. It's all in now, and it works, or should work, unless we need a BIOS update. So yeah. So now the last and final thing that we want to do is actually plug in the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas into these slots right here. So let me time lapse this and you'll see how it's done. Okay, so hope you like the time lapse, but these have a few different angles that you can actually put them in. So right here there's 180, 45, and a 90-degree angle if you want to go and make it flush to the case. But I think I'll just keep it at a 45-degree angle for now. So now we want to plug this in, put the front panel on, and let's get this going. Now I have everything plugged in, and let's see if there's any BIOS updates that I have to download. Let's see if the Wi-Fi even shows up. So let's go there. Okay, so Wi-Fi does show up there, and that's pretty great. Now let's see if the Bluetooth even shows up. So now let's see if my Galaxy Buds even shows up in the Bluetooth settings. So going there, Bluetooth. Does it show up? Come on, please. Please. Yes! Let's connect. And it's connected. Yeah, I can hear the connection sound. So, yeah, it does work. Let's see how far it even works. So, I'm around 10 feet away from the computer, and I can hear perfectly fine. So, let's step back all the way to 20 feet. And, okay, now I can hear some breakup in the volume. So 20 feet is the max I would take the Bluetooth with, but otherwise anywhere between 20 feet is perfectly fine. So right now let me test out the Ethernet speeds of my internet connection, and just to tell you, I only have Ethernet on, so I have actually turned off Wi-Fi and only Ethernet. So now let's test that. So on Ethernet I do have 3 ping and 941 in downloads and 767 in upload speeds. So now let's test it out without Ethernet but only Wi-Fi. So I just tested out my Wi-Fi speeds on my Wi-Fi card, and I got a score of ping 3, download 38, and upload 47. Obviously it's not the best, and plus it's being blocked by the metal from the case. But it's no problem, I can do whatever I can on the daily basis except for uploading videos from Wi-Fi. So that's great. But overall guys, this Wi-Fi card is nothing exceptional, but it's pretty good and better than no Wi-Fi. So if you like this video, like it. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a single video of mine. Plus follow me on my Twitter account that's going to be linked right below the like button to get updates on the next video. But anyways guys, that's going to be it. Peace.